Sarah was an 11-year-old mischievous but kind-hearted girl who loved playing in her home small garden. The garden had many flowers and plants, but Sarah's favorite was a small rose plant in a green pot. One evening, while Sarah was watering the garden, she heard a soft voice. "Pour the water gently. My roots are tickling." Sarah froze. She looked around, no one was there. Then her eyes fell on the pot. The plant was slightly shaking. "Was that you?" Sarah asked in shock. "Yes, it's me, the plant. My name is Gullibo, but this is a secret, don't tell anyone." For the next several days, Sarah and Gullibo talked often. Gullibo told her stories how butterflies carry the secrets of plants and how raindrops sing to the soil. Gullibo often told Sarah, "Take care of the plants. We breathe too. We live too." Sarah promised she would protect every plant in the garden. One day, Sarah noticed some plants turning yellow, and the soil had become dry and hard. She panicked and asked Gullibo, "What's happening?" Gullibo sadly replied, "The garden is in danger. A worm is eating the roots underground. If we don't act, the whole garden will die." Sarah asked worriedly, "What can we do?" Gullibo answered, "There is a cure, but we need courage and cleverness." Gullibo told Sarah about a special herb called moonlight grass, whose scent chases away the worms. But moonlight grass only grows in the far corner of the old park, where no child dares to go because of the thick bushes and dark atmosphere. Sarah bravely said, "I'll go. If we want to save the garden, we can't be afraid." The next morning, Sarah packed a small bag with a water bottle, a tiny spade, and an empty pot. On the way, she faced several challenges. First challenge, a small stream with a broken wooden bridge. Sarah carefully placed planks one by one to cross it. Second challenge, a big dog started barking, but Sarah gave it biscuits from her bag. The dog happily moved aside. Third challenge, at the park's corner, thorny bushes blocked the path. Sarah slowly cleared a way through them and finally reached the moonlight grass. Sarah carefully planted the moonlight grass in the pot and watered it. The way back wasn't easy either, but Sarah didn't give up. By evening, she reached home. Gullibo was waiting eagerly. Gullibo told Sarah to plant the moonlight grass in the middle of the garden so its scent could spread everywhere. Sarah placed the pot in the center, and over the next few days, the garden filled with fragrance. Slowly, the leaves turned green again. Flowers began to bloom, and the garden came back to life. Gullibo happily said, "You saved the garden, Sarah. You are a true hero." Sarah smiled. A hero is the one who stands by their friends, whether those friends are people or plants. From that day on, Sarah visited the garden every day, talked to all the plants, and the garden became more beautiful than ever. And Sarah knew, to be a hero, you don't need big weapons, just a big heart.